Across the street is Grand Z Casino Hotel, Central City.
Okay.
Looks like it's popping. And she's gonna go look at the train over there. Let's go check out the Grand Z, see how it is. Okay. So the valet is temporarily closed because they don't have enough people that come through. Where's the casino? Oh, right there.
There's somewhere.
Shh. People are playing slots around here. Shh. Grand Z Casino. Grand Z. Be very quiet. Be quiet. It's very... Shh. Grand Z Casino. Shh. Thank you for opening the door. Oh, so there's a lobby and there's two sections. Let's go over here. So here's the hotel registration. And this is the sundries. It is quiet. Do you hear anybody when... There's upstairs too.
Oh yeah, look, roulette.
Oh, they probably have bubble craps up there. Huh? Oh no, let's just walk over here first. I gotta go do a complete walkthrough. So there's two levels here, huh? That's exciting. But there's nobody here. Look at this. Bar area.
There's the copyright music.
Copyright music, yes. So we got a $5.99 breakfast?
What?
What? No, it's wait, free? It said free. Hold on.
Free.
Double down all day after earning 35 same day tier. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Play first.
Play first. All right, let's walk over here and see.
Before we go upstairs.
Yeah. So I guess Maverick. Did we get a Maverick card?
I'm not. I think so. I think the last one we were at was
Maverick. No? Okay. Copyright music. Not all the slots around here. Oh, so there's Keno over in this area. Slots. Deli over here. Oh, market, food, Keno. I thought we had one. Maybe we didn't sign up for one. Nope. Should go sign up for one. Smoking patio. Alright, let's walk upstairs to see how it is. you go. Let's go upstairs. Let's take the escalators. What is this place called again? Gen Z?
Gen Z. Gen Z?
Gen Z Casino in Central City, Colorado. Gen Z. Place is big.
Yeah.
Grand Bistro. There's your game.
I know. This is my game. Is it Gen Z or is it Grand Z?
I don't know. Gen Z is more. I don't know. It could be Grand Z.
Z or just maybe Z?
Is it? I thought it was. Oh, Grand Z. Shit. Oops.
Why would they call it Gen Z? I think it should have to be
Generation X, Generation Z. Let me walk over here. Grand Z.
Grand Z Casino.
Look at he's fishing.
Guys, he was trying to hit it in the upscale.
This is the first casino I see that has Casino Wizard here.
That has windows?
Casino Wizard.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, right there. Wow. Did you see the Cashman?
Nope,
Bingo?
I've been looking. Have not seen Cashman Bingo anywhere. Maybe it's a game that has not been
Not
brought
here.
over here yet. Oh, look at that craps game. That's different.
That's kind of like the one.
That's kind of. Oh yeah, it's like a. Oh, it's total. It's the layout is totally different. This is the old school
Oh,
style.
I don't want this.
Yeah, that's the old school style.
It's harder.
Don't stand so close to me. Grand Z, right? Grand Z Casino, Central City, Colorado. Yeah, this is the old school style. Look at that.
What does it mean?
Minimum bet's $1. It's interblock, so this is the old style. Yeah,
Oh, they have lucky shooter.
yeah. Cool. Do you want to play? Grand Z Casino Hotel, Central City. There we go. Let's go get a card. Got table games over here. Table games Monday through Wednesday. Yeah. There's a sports betting area over here too. Let's take a look. this sports betting? Yeah, sports betting area. Minimum bet $10. That's your Grand Z Casino walkthrough. Oh, and I gotta try some coffee. See if it tastes like shit. Ah, yep, it's Folgers. Tastes like shit. Alright, there's your walkthrough, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. So everybody's signing up for a Maverick card in Central City. If you sign up at one of these casinos, at Dragon Tiger, you get a free noodle bowl. Just so you know. She won 25 on the free spin. I got 7. You got 25?
Well, if it went one more, it'd be
you
1,000. If it went that way, it would have been 75.
Oh my god, I got 7. Okay, cool. Exit.
Okay, so now what?
Yeah, right there.
Should we go get noodles?
Enjoy a free noodle bowl when you sign up for a card, which we just did. We gotta walk all the way back, and you wanna walk all the way back for a free noodle bowl?